Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh!
Yeah.
Okay, Donnie,
So,
choose which one.
I'll pick this one.
Alright. Let's see what it's gonna be.
Drum roll, please.
Where's it from? Okay, let's show them all.
I thought it was gonna be from China.
Oh, no, this is from France. Let's show them what
Alright.
we got.
So we got these.
Chips.
Ooh, looks hot. Looks spicy party. These.
Look.
Looks super hot. And these. Donnie, I already showed them.
Okay, Donnie, you choose which one we're gonna try first.
I'll do these ones. It's gummies.
Ooh. What's it called? What's it say?
It's called
Orangina?
My
Okay,
shirt.
those are your
Guys, my shirt.
Orangina.
Guys, my shirt says girls power.
Yeah. Okay.
Because I have this super down.
Supergirl.
No, super tape on.
Okay.
All right, let's all grab one. Oh, there's yellow and red ones.
Ooh, I want to try both. Let's try one for
Pour
now.
one out.
All right, guys, we're going to try it all at once.
Okay, ready? Let's try it.
Those are really good.
Mm-hmm.
I like that. You know I like that. Pineapple.
Next, let's try some chips. This is called poulet roti. It's got a chicken on it, what's it called? A rotisserie chicken. I think that's what it is. Okay.
Chicken flavored chips.
It smells like chicken.
It does.
Okay.
Bigger chip.
Ready?
Oh,
3,
God.
2, 1.
It's pretty good. For some reason, it reminds me of like chicken and gravy. It's good
I
though.
rate that like a solid
To
7
me,
out of 5.
it tastes like you dumped the chip in ramen noodle soup and pulled it out.
Okay, KK, which one you want to try?
Oh, hurry up, please.
You try those ones? These ones say
Bonjour.
Chevry Piment de Escalate.
Oh, no.
Let me read.
It's a chip.
From France.
It's a French chip.
My
It smells like blue cheese.
They got the big block on
Yeah.
Ooh.
Okay, ready?
there.
It
Ooh.
ain't that bad.
This
No, it is a
stank.
little funky.
It
3,
stank.
2, 1.
It tastes like blue cheese. It's got that blue cheese aftertaste.
What's the rest of mine?
No, thank you. I mean, I like blue cheese, but I don't know if I'm a fan of that one. Next, Dad, open up something to get this taste out of my mouth.
I'm gonna open up this
Hot.
Titi's
pull it down.
Release. It looked like candy.
Mmm.
Like a taffy.
Hey,
Yeah, it looks like Laffy Taffy.
Well, we're just gonna have to buy
This
it.
one's sweet.
Ooh, is it hard? A little nibble, pass it down.
Got a zing.
It's good though, but yeah, that's a little tart. Should we try the green one next?
Got the green one.
That one's probably even sour.
Yeah. Green apple, probably.
It's good though.
Yeah, green apple.
I actually think I like that one better than the pink one.
I'm still chewing the pink one.
I got a little sour at the end.
Alright, how much is the next one?
Well, we gonna try it.
Alright, we did
Grab
chocolate.
one. Show it to the camera real quick.
Teddy. Ready.
Oh, it's so wild. You're going to make it into crumbs.
It's really a little chocolate teddy.
It's called Lulu.
I do
Chocolate
think
Ooh, soft.
something.
Bite it, break a piece off.
I see the white.
Yeah.
chocolate.
Oh,
Ah.
goodness.
This
Chocolate
would be,
on the
this would be
inside.
my thing.
It's like a.
I like that.
It tastes just like icing, chocolate icing.
Oh, he only had chocolate in his head.
Okay, next one. This one is simply called
Oh, I can-
Nuts.
That's chocolate.
Okay, this one feels like a nougat or nougat.
That's chocolate. Yeah, that's chocolate.
Whoa.
Nougat and caramel. I don't really like nougat.
That's chocolate. Okay.
You still ate it?
Like a Three Musketeer.
Mm-hmm.
Like a French Snickers.
Guys, I'm gonna try a piece of chocolate. I hope that I don't pass out.
What? Donnie, please save the chocolate. We actually want to eat it. Okay, which one was our favorite? The chocolate bear.
Every single one, but
This is
not.
my favorite.
I didn't like nougat, but every single one I liked.
This was my favorite.
Them chicken chips.
I
I really like these.
You like those ones? I think I like the chicken
Those
chips
chips were
too.
good.
So let's see who's gonna choose the next box. Let's do rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, you and Daddy go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, my
Oh, okay,
God.
which one?
I can't win.
I can't either.
Kick it.
It's from
Turkey.
Turkey.
We actually beat it.
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh.
And chocolate.
Cheetos.
Chocolate.
For
More
your everyday
chocolate.
life.
A lot of chocolate, Stunny.
Which one you gonna try? Okay, the Cheetos.
Corn Cheetos. The corn-
Cheetos Fit Sticky. And it has a picture of a peanut on it. Okay. Let's taste them. It smells just like peanuts. Pass it down, baby.
Oh,
Get
goddamn.
to taste
It's
them together.
good, but it smells bad.
Don't.
Okay, ready? Let's taste them now.
It's like nothing.
I don't really care for that.
I like
tastes like
American
nothing.
Cheetos better.
Yeah.
It tastes like nothing.
Your turn, Dottie.
What?
Turn to the camera.
Doritos.
Taco Doritos. You about to turn them into crumbs.
No,
Alright. You get one fish.
no. Even though you open it?
Yeah.
Thank you. How kind.
I'll go first.
Okay, we're supposed to taste them together, silly girl. Okay, ready? Go.
They're so good.
I like that one.
That little kick to it.
Yeah, taco.
They're so good.
All right, mommy, try one next. This one, calling me. Cat, tat. And this has, it might have chocolate inside. I think all the other ones are chocolate. Donnie don't really care for chocolate. This looks like a crushed up pastry, if you can see that.
It is messy looking.
I think we're just gonna have to bite this one.
Whoa.
I'm gonna bite on this side because,
Whoa.
ooh,
You sure you can bite on it? Bite on
Mm.
Like that.
Eating.
I'm gonna go get some water, guys. Psych. I should have.
Do you like that? It's good. It's messy, but it's really good.
Ditto.
Cheetos.
Chocolate bar.
That's a Pokemon. We're gonna try a Pokemon.
It's like a big old Kit Kat. Look at that.
It's the giant size.
Oh yeah, it really looks like a Kit Kat.
I got the D.
You still, Mom. Oh.
I love it.
It's pretty good. What's that one? Albini?
Ow.
This one looks like a Twix from the picture.
It kind of sounds like one that it kind of looks like one that we ate before.
I know you want a big piece
The
anyway.
Battle of the Chocolate Bars.
I know. Oh.
Kind of sounds like the cat car.
A Twix. a Turkish Twix. Eddie Pocket.
You might like this one, Donnie.
I'm gonna put my hands in my pocket.
Oh wow.
It's like a big poof.
Oh
Like a
my
little
god.
Chocolate
chocolate
chunky.
cake. Yeah.
Donnie.
Mm. It tastes like a chocolate covered banana.
It would have been better if it was
That's pretty good.
Oh.
That's what the banana split.
It does.
It does.
That's good. Okay. Which one was our favorite?
Oh.
Mine, I think, is a tie for these two.
I like the Kit Kat.
Donnie, you like the...
I like all but the one that I didn't like.
Which one did you like? Those Cheetos? I actually like that little pastry thing too, though. It was good.
It was good. You just had to chew it a lot.
I only got to try
The big
two
Kit
of
Kat.
them.
That's my favorite.
All right, Dad. Let's see who gets to open it.
The time has come for the last rock, paper, scissors battle. Who's
You
gonna take
find- Or
Finders
me.
keepers.
Ready, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
You
No!
never won.
Vietnam! That's
Wow.
different. Ooh, some lobster chips.
Oh, those look good.
Oh,
Ladies,
wow.
Hey.
Ooh, look at those
Hey,
Boom jelly lac.
Whoa, I'm excited about these. I get to choose what we eat first.
Okay, Vietnam.
And I'm gonna try this, because this looks different. Cow
Just
and
you?
cheese.
It's
I'm
good.
gonna try them.
They got some really
I
interesting
think I
stuff.
tried that at the car store.
What is this?
But this is different. This is different flavor. Okay, everybody get a little cheese wafer. You want?
I'll try a cheese wafer.
Sorry, guys.
Tastes kind of good.
Hey, Kay, we're supposed to wait and eat them at the same time, greedy girl.
I'll
It's
just
okay.
get one.
All right, here we go.
Ready?
All right.
It's like a sweet cheese. It's like a cheese dessert.
It's really good.
Uh-huh. I like that.
I don't really
You don't
care
like
for
it?
Yeah.
I like it.
No
Does
way.
anyone
Piggy
want mine?
McPickerson. Okay, KK, you want to choose?
What's this?
These?
That pink.
Mm-hmm. I don't know how to read this, but it does say lobster with golden salted egg sauce. Wow.
Some lobster
Oh, they
legs.
good.
Okay, let's wait, baby. I'll try it together. I'll try it together.
Take
It
it
is
away.
chips.
KK.
She can't listen, y'all. Sorry.
Grady.
Yummy.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Mmm. Smell good. Mmm.
Oh.
That's
Good.
pretty good. Mm-hmm.
But kind of spicy.
This is spicy. Those are good.
Tastes just like lobster.
Yeah, I like that. Okay, Johnny. Mmm. And it has a sweet taste too.
I really need it.
I'm gonna do the Mentos.
There's a wrapper inside the wrapper.
What? Who does that?
Yeah.
Well, that one shows you. You want to grab the next one?
Aggressive.
Somebody?
He's hoping it's more than just yellow flavor. I know that's what he's
Yes.
waiting for. They
You
look
don't
like
know.
they're all yellow. Yeah, I think they're all
No,
yellow.
no, no.
Oh, we'll try that one. Might be yellow.
Wow.
Hard.
Oh.
Mmm. Is it pineapple or? I don't know what that is, but it's good.
Got a little cinnamon
Yes. I was thinking that too.
apple.
Mm-hmm.
Brown is probably like, probably butterscotch.
Oh, look. It says apple cinnamon. It has a picture of an apple and cinnamon sticks.
Why don't you look at that?
I know. What you got? What you got?
Dao Fong Toi Up.
It better be good.
They're like little peanuts.
Grab some
I'll
KK.
just eat some.
Oh
Oh my god.
Spicy garlic peanuts. Okay. That is garlicky. And they're spicy
I need one
They're
of these
really
to cool
spicy.
down.
and very garlicky. They're good though. I mean, I like them, but I can see how the kids wouldn't like these.
They're good. They just really caught me off guard. I didn't know what flavor it was.
And they're spicy.
I'm gonna try. Look at this.
Ooh.
Chabong. In it, I don't know what that is. Some little breaded thing. Oh, this is like a little
Yeah.
little cracker. Here, baby. You want this piece? Well, that was a small one. Dad.
No, please don't be spicy. I'll do anything.
Bye.
Oh. Oh, we all ate it?
Mm-hmm. It's like a rice cracker.
Very common.
Yeah. It's like a palate cleanse after the
Oh,
peanuts.
yeah.
Okay, so KK wants to try Dynamite Chews.
Oh, this one.
They're all the same, baby. They're all the same.
This girl.
I'll give you one, Mom.
Oh, I'm left out because I lost all my rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, yeah.
That was happening
Here.
when you lose.
Oh.
When you lose,
Are
you
they
don't
chocolate?
choose.
I don't know. They might be.
God.
Or they might be caramel. It's kind of hard to tell.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, hot.
Oh.
Is it chocolate?
Mm-mm.
That tastes like peppermint.
Yeah, it does taste like peppermint.
It's not.
Peppermint.
It's not a chocolate.
Okay.
Oh, I thought you were eating
It's
one.
just.
Oops, sorry, babe.
It's peppermint, Johnny.
Bruh. Bruh.
It ain't meant to be.
Peppermint.
Yeah, that's not chocolate. It's good.
That's
I feel like it's a chocolate peppermint.
Mm.
It's almost like a chocolate Mentos when you think about it.
okay. I'm tasting it towards the end,
Mm-hmm.
but it's not like
It's not really.
Snickers chocolate.
Yeah, it's not like chocolate.
You want some Charlie Kisses?
You didn't choose them. I'm gonna choose them. The Boom Jelly Light.
The guy that never won.
Whoa, what's that?
This.
Oh, I feel the chocolate.
It's like a packet that you sprinkle on them, I think.
This is weird.
Oh yeah, it shows like whatever these are, you sprinkle the little seasoning packets. Put them on here and then sprinkle the little. It's like a little tahini.
I'll get this one.
Mm-hmm.
Grab and go.
Yeah, it's like, it reminds me of tahini or something.
It's gross.
I'm sure they're just good by themselves.
Yeah, I think I would have probably preferred it by itself. But you know what? Vietnam had some good ones. What is y'all's favorite out of all of these?
Man.
These.
You know, I think I'm going to say those little wafers. I really like those.
I like them chips.
Yeah.
I like those.
They were.
Mentos.
These are really good too, because
I like those.
I've never tasted anything like this before.
I
Yeah.
like those.
So we had what? We had Vietnam, Turkey, and what was the other one? France. Which one was y'all's favorite?
Oh.
KK.
Oh, no. France.
France.
Really?
Yeah.
They had some good stuff. I can't lie. They
I-
really did, but Vietnam.
Yeah, I think I like Vietnam. KK said all. Well, you know, this was the last of our Snack Crate subscription, so we're not going to be getting any more unless we renew it. But this
Should
was
we?
a fun
Should we
experience.
do it or
Yeah.
not?
Subscribe if we should. Get us to 1,000.
Yes.
Yes, we want to get to 1,000 or 1 million. 1,000 or 1 million.
What happens when we get to 1,000?
Somebody's getting pied in the face, Daddy.
Who could it be?
It's me. It's me. Vote for me. I want to taste it.
Daddy, vote for
I'm
Daddy.
gonna vote for you.
He loves pie.
I'm just gonna-
So you know what that means. Like this video, subscribe, hit the notifications, comment. All right, y'all. But thanks for watching. See y'all next time. Bye.